This is a Charlie's nail art haul, and this is for March. My March order and my March PR items. Yeah, I got some more of these flowers I had in my last order, but I wanted to get some more, make sure I got enough for the summer. So I got 2 of every color. I really like these. They're really pretty on a nail. Then I got some of these black rhinestones. Teardrop. Then I got these cherries and strawberries. Cute. Cute, cute. And then I got 2 packs of these spiders because I didn't get any around Halloween time. You know, I got different spiders from AliExpress. Yeah, I got the black ones. So I wanted to get these white ones. Plus these are smaller, I think. And they're not as pretty as these white ones. So now I have both. Don't know why I shared that with you, but hey. Then I got some of these ceramic flowers. These are really pretty. Then I got some of these bows. They're smaller than the bows she used to have. I really miss. I hope she gets those back because I use them a lot. I really like those bows. Well, they're a little bit bigger than these. And all different colors. And then I got some of these AB oval stones. And then I got this raspberry fine holographic glitter. I got the lilac. I'm trying to order a couple glitters every order so I have all the colors. And then this is called Unicorn. It's only available at Charlie's Nail Art. I'd like to see what it looks like in there. Yeah, see there's some chunkier pieces in there. Pink. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. Really like it. And it's very sparkly. If you like sparkles, you're going to like this one. And then I got some foils. I already took them out of the bag so we don't make all that noise. These are the Mickeys. Cute. And they always unravel on me. Oh my gosh, why do they do that? They don't want to stay on it. I don't know how she does this. I really don't. I'm all butterfingers. And then it doesn't roll evenly on there. think I got it, you guys. I think I got it. Don't lose it now. Oh, come on. Not as neat as the way she had it, but okay. That'll work, right? Then this is the Mermaid. It's called Mermaid. It's holographic. Been wanting that one for a while too. My nail got all chipped up and beat up from the Dremel and dog's toenails. They're a mess. They need to be done. And this one. In there. This is black lace butterflies. Or no, this is polka dots. Got the butterflies last time. This is black lace polka dots. Okay, PR items. Now I ordered before Charlie had the Easter decals up, so I missed the Easter decals. Yeah, I didn't think I'd get them in time to do my Easter manis, so that was a bummer. But I did get these little rabbit heads. Or they're not heads, it's the whole rabbit. It's the back of the rabbit, and the little pearl thing is its tail. Really cute. And then I got a couple crosses. Well, it's not really, yeah, Jesus on the cross. And then this mix is called Vibrance. Got a lot of loud colors in there. Pretty cool. And then this one is called Joyful. The iridescent pinks and greens. Different sizes. And they're not too big. There's no big ones in there, I don't think. But that's perfect for Easter. These are perfect for Easter. Even these are nice. Just reminds me of Easter. And then I got the gold crosses. And that's it for my March order. I will see you back next month for April's order. If you want to make an order to Charlie's, please use my code. It's all in caps, Tammy 10. Save yourself 10%. Have a great day. I will see you all next time.